guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see more of my videos. You can also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and on Twitter, which I will put on the screen, and I will also put a link to them in the description below. You can also join my Discord server. I will put the link to it in the description as well. So in this video, I just want to show you guys my RGB LED lights that I bought from Wish. And I decided to buy from Wish because it was a lot cheaper than Amazon. I mean, I feel like Amazon, it would have came quicker in maybe like a few days, but from Wish it took about 2 weeks, which wasn't so bad. And on Amazon it's probably like 40-50 bucks, and on Wish it was like less than $20, so it was really cheap. And I'm not a rich person, and I'm not trying to spend 50 bucks on lights that I can just get somewhere else for cheaper. So, you know, I'm not rich, so I just decided to go with the cheaper option. So here they are. Came with two, and I'm actually going to include a third one. So this one I got probably like 2 years ago, but I don't know if I picked the wrong option or something, but when it came, it literally just came like this. It did not come with anything else. It did not come with like anything to plug it in or anything like that. It was just this, so I couldn't use it. But now that I have these, I'm gonna just put them together and just, you know, put them around my room so it looks nice in the background for my streams. Alright, so what I was planning to do was put them over here and then stick them like this, and go to the right and up and to the left and up. And I really want to put them in the corners, but I kind of already have some cables here, so I'm not going to be putting it there. And then I'm just going to continue on over here, and as you can see, there's still cables here. Originally they were here in the corner, but I wanted to put the lights in this corner, so I moved them up a little. And I'm going to just keep going and going and going over there, and I'm just going to keep going until like it ends. Alright, so I'm just going to get a bunch of tapes ready, because even though the lights already have like a sticky part in the back of them, I just want to make it more secure. So I'm just going to put some tape over here and just get them ready. Alright, so I'm going to start by undoing this until the very end. There you go. Alright, I'm going to start with this. Alright guys, so I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what it is going to look like. So let me just turn off my light here and turn this on. Wow, look at that. Alright, so I'm going to continue with this. Alright, so this is where the first roll ends, so I'm gonna go set up the next roll and continue it. Alright, so far so good. Alright, time to unroll the second roll. Alright, so I just finished the second roll. So now it's time for the third roll. Alright, so we are done. So here it is. Goes all the way here. Just try to focus it. I hope that's focused. So yeah, here it is. Goes here and it ends right here. So now I'm going to show you the finished product. Alright, so for some reason this part of the strip isn't as bright as that part. Like I feel like this part is a lot brighter, but it's the same strip though. I mean, they're not two separate strips. It's the same one, but for some reason right here it's pretty dark. I don't know why. Maybe I should ask for a refund. I don't know. I'll see. Alright, so what you're seeing behind me is going to be the background you're going to be seeing in my videos and Twitch streams from now on. And I just want to apologize if you couldn't really see anything while I was filming myself setting it up. Honestly, it was really hard to film, and matter of fact, it was hard to even just do, even if I wasn't filming it. But I did try to get as much footage as I possibly can while setting it up. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for anyone that's planning to buy some RGB light strips from Wish, just so you can kind of get an idea of what to expect. Please like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. You can also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and on Twitter, which I will put on the screen, and I will also put a link to them in the description below. Also, feel free to join my Discord server. I will have it linked in the description as well. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.